Check it out. See this pen? It's gonna go up my crack, and I'm gonna take it to my daughter so she can smell it. Did you get it?
Finally.
What?
Revenue password. Okay.
What is it?
Come on, man!
What?
Oh, that smells!
What?
Oh, God.
What was it?
Oh, get away from me.
What?
Get away from me, man.
What did it smell like?
I don't know, but it smells nasty.
Oh, here.
No!
It's from a lollipop.
No, it's not!
Yes, it is.
No! Dad, I swear. I will not come here again.